Sorry.
How are we doing, friends? Guys, sushi and fucking ramen. I even got really fancy ramen bowls today. Look at those. Look how fancy they are. Also, I have to say, guys, I prepared this. I'm gonna show you. I made ramen broth. Anyway, what do I want to say? Ramen and sushi, guys. I got fantastic sashimi grade salmon from Norway, and I already made the ramen broth yesterday. I also put the chicken into a marinade. I'm going to show you everything in a bit. I think we're going to start making the sushi rice because the sushi rice is going to have to cool down later. So sushi rice, really important. You always have to rinse your rice before you're cooking, especially with sushi rice, my friends. So we have 3 cups of rice. There we go. I'm gonna put the rice cooker on and then we just wait. You don't salt it or anything. There we go. So then on the side, what we're gonna do is for the ramen. So we're obviously gonna start with the ramen. So I'm wondering, we already have the broth, right? For the ingredients in there, what I'm gonna do, I wanna add some young soybeans. I'm gonna put them here to defrost. Just young soybeans. So for the ramen, we're gonna put in an egg. We're gonna put in chicken. We're gonna put in some nori. We're gonna put in soybeans. We're gonna put in some shiitake mushrooms, some fresh or dried ones that we're gonna put in. What else are we gonna put in? I got some soy sprouts, some fresh ones. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it. And the broth, as I said, I made yesterday already. Always, but yeah, Vienna is a little bit extra. What are you doing, Lefty? Lucy? You're so cute. I'm gonna warm up the soup and I'm gonna make the chicken breasts. So yeah, for our ramen, we're gonna make chicken breast. We're gonna make an egg as well. And I'm gonna take the rice off the heat already. Yeah, that's good. Taking the rice off the heat. Let me just see if it's fully cooked through. So we're gonna transfer the rice from this bowl in this bowl. And while the rice is still warm, you wanna add the mixture. It's water time. Give me 1 second. I just need to mix in the rice. And now you mix like the rice, vinegar, sugar, oil mixture in. Okay, then once the eggs are done, we're gonna do the chicken. I have multiple chicken breasts marinated here. We're only gonna need 2 of those though. 1 per ramen bowl. And the rest of the chicken, I'm gonna make something from in the next days. We're just gonna fry that off. I had that again in a marinade of teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, garlic, and a bunch of ginger overnight. I'm gonna get the eggs out, just taking them out with a spoon, putting them in the cold water, and that's it. And then I'm taking the boiling water off and I'm putting the pan on because this is where we're gonna make our chicken. Our broth is already heating up again. Okay, I'm gonna get my cooled off eggs out of the water. I'm just putting the water out. I'm getting our mama noodles out. So we have our noodles. It's gonna be cooked. We have our eggs. In the meanwhile, the chicken is getting done. We also have some shiitake mushrooms we're gonna be using later. And we're gonna use some spring onion, and I have some radishes. And I have some bamboo shoots. We need some sesame seeds as well. Then we need nori. Got the good nori. There we go. We need to put on here the water for the pasta, obviously. I'm putting the chicken on the back. It's not going anymore. The ramen broth is warm already. I'm gonna, how much am I gonna use? Like this. The rest we're gonna use for sushi. I'm also gonna start cleaning the egg. We got our beans. So what we're gonna do is what you have to do, or you don't have to do, but what you usually do. So what you want to do is in your bowl where you're gonna serve up your ramen, you want to put in some sesame oil and a little bit of soy sauce. So this is gonna be our base. Our water is boiling, so we can put our pasta in. Our ramen noodle. Mix the sesame and the soy. Oh yeah, talking about sesame, we need some sesame for the topping as well. Sesame seeds. What are you bitches? There we go. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take the broth. And I'm gonna pour some broth in there first. So I'm not gonna use any of the vegetables that I cooked the broth with. Go. Beautiful. So that is our broth that is mixed now with the soy sauce and a little bit of the sesame oil. Oh my god, this is gonna be fantastic. Let me get out the ramen noodles. There we go. Ramen is in. Looks amazing already. Oh my god. Let me see. And now, so chicken breast. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put first in already the shiitake mushrooms because they can like soak up all the stuff. And then I also want to put in my soybeans already. I hope that I won't like, because they're also a little frozen still, but they're gonna be fine with the soup. Oh my god, can you see how delicious this looks? Wish I had a better angle for you. Then we can put the radishes. Then some of the sprouts. Sprouts. The egg we're gonna do in the end. Let me just cut the chicken. That's hot. Now comes the egg, guys. I think I'm gonna put the egg in and then cut it inside because it's really, really runny. And then some of the spring onions. Oof. Oof. Holy moly macaroni. I'm gonna put in the nori in the end. Now we're gonna cut the egg first. Can you see the egg from here? Yeah, right? Oh my god, it's so perfect. Do you see this, chat? Do you see this? Okay, now we're gonna eat. Oh yeah, the nori. I forgot to put the nori in. Fuck. Okay, we're gonna eat the ramen now, guys. How are we doing? How are we doing? I got that. This is so good. Holy shit. This might be the best ramen I ever had. And that I had some ramen before. This is some proper ASMR, I think. Holy shit. Holy shit, this is so delicious. This, even though that's like a starter slash I don't know, is ramen considered a main meal? I guess. Oh, that one was beautiful. I think I'm just gonna drink it, so it's not that bad. Nice. So we finished the ramen. The sushi rice has a good temperature already, which is nice. For the sushi making, I will put some of the kitchen paper next to me in case I need it. We're gonna make a small bowl with water because so the rice doesn't stick to your hand. We have our little rolling board here. We have a big plate where we're gonna put our salmon on, and we will start with actually cutting our veggies first. We are actually gonna use, who remembers her? It's still the same cucumber. I have not used her yet. So we're gonna use a cucumber out of our own garden for the sushi. And then avocado. I got really nice avocados as well. And they're called hate avocados. So what we're gonna use is avocado, salmon, cucumber. The avocado should be perfect. Let's see. Oh, Poggy! For making maki and stuff, usually what people do, they would scrape out the insides. So the pieces of the cucumber are like dense because obviously where the seeds are, it's really soft. So if you want, you can just scrape that out. There we go. And then we're gonna just cut it into strips. There we go. We got the avocado, we got the cucumber, we got our rice that is ready already. And then we're gonna start making sushi. Okay, so I have 2 packs of salmon. Okay, I think we're first gonna cut the slices for the nigiri. I think because I have still a second one, I think I'm gonna use the rest of this for the maki. So we're gonna cut the strips here. Let's see. We're gonna get our sushi rice and we get our nori. I think we're gonna start with the maki. So you will always, the maki, the nori always has one shiny side and one not so shiny side. You always wanna put it down with the shiny side. That is the one that's gonna be outside. We're gonna take some of the sushi rice. And what I learned the hard way the first time I make sushi, like I have no idea if it's gonna work straight for me because again, like I haven't made sushi in like probably like a year, maybe 2 years even. I'm not sure. You will not want to put rice on the whole sheet. So you basically want to have 2/3 of the rice approximately. 2/3 of the nori sheet covered with rice, not more. So that should be enough. The first one we're gonna make, let's make an avocado salmon one. Avocado first. There we go. And then we add the salmon. There we go. And that is how our makis are gonna look like. Okay. And then we start rolling. So, and when you roll it, you really wanna like tuck it in. Make sure that nothing like falls out. Yeah, that you know, the first one is always a hassle a little bit, but it's fine. For the first one, actually, I'm pretty happy. I'm really proud of my first roll today. Usually those look worse. And then we go in again with the sushi rice. Now, actually, let's make another avocado one. Oh my god, it's perfect! Little avocado fell out. But look at this. Even and nice. I think we're gonna make some nigiri for a little bit to switch it up with the rolling. Make it a little smaller. Are we making small ones, guys, or are those too small? I think those are too small. And I needed it bigger. Oh my god. There we go. First nigiri. Fuck yeah. Looks amazing. Perfect. We filled the plate. Look, chat. Okay, I'm gonna put that in the fridge. Thank you so much for hanging out, guys. I really appreciate it. I love you all. Bye.